Smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors can save your life and your home, and installing them is so easy it's almost a no-brainer. But here's what you might not know. The bigger your house, the more alarms you need. In general, install at least one type of alarm on every level of your home, including the basement. But did you know, when it comes to smoke alarms, there are two types of technology available. Ionization detectors sense flaming fires more quickly. Photoelectric alarms detect smoldering fires more quickly. It's not a question of which type is better. Your home should have both. It's important to have detectors on every level of your home. So the top of each stairwell is a common recommendation. But think about this. If your bedroom is down the hall, will the sound of the alarm wake you up if you're sleeping? You may want to take the U.S. Fire Administration's recommendation. Install them both inside and outside of bedrooms. Now, whether you put it on the wall or on the ceiling depends on the type you buy and the manufacturer's recommendation. You also want to make sure you don't put it near something that can interfere with it, like your oven, stovetop, or furnace, areas like bathrooms or laundry rooms that are humid, or near windows and vents. Installing an alarm is easy. Most units include a mounting bracket that just screws into the wall or ceiling. Install your battery, then twist the alarm into the bracket. Some even just stick on with adhesive, and you can find carbon monoxide detectors that plug into the wall. Here are a few more helpful tips. Test the alarm once a month to be sure it's working. Replace your batteries twice a year. If you change your clocks for daylight savings time, that's a good reminder. Lithium batteries can power an alarm for about 8 to 10 years, and once the battery dies, replace the entire unit. Carbon monoxide detectors should be replaced about every 5 years. Replace your smoke alarms every 8 to 10 years, and when you buy a new one, write the date you installed it on the back for easy reference. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood ACE, and find us online at acehardware.com.